This is a spirea and it is deciduous. So until the leaves started coming back out again, we didn't realize how much of it had died, either due to the cold weathers we've had, or it's just time for the plant to self-prune. But we need to get rid of the dead out of this and make the plant look better and it'd be healthier. So we're going to start and prune out some of these dead branches. We're pruning these as far down as possible, and what we're finding is some of them we don't even have to prune because they're so brittle that they are just coming apart themselves. Well, there's the last dead branch. Now the shrub is dead branch free and it's going to be looking better, and the summer will go on and it'll continue to bloom for us and be pretty.